what's up guys, today I'm going to be showing you on how to like completely change the sound of your keyboard for like completely free, like you don't gotta pay or anything. So what you want to do is you want to open up your like whatever browser you have. So for me it's Opera GX. I want to just open that up. And then what you want to do is go to like whatever you'd use to search and just search up MECHVIBES, and then it will bring you here. Just click on the first link, and then it should bring you here. What you want to do is you want to look up here, click download. It will take you to this GitHub link, and just click download now, and then it will take you here, and it's gonna say your download will start shortly. And then just choose where you want to save the file, and now it should be downloading. Alright, so it just finished downloading, and then when it finished downloading, you just want to go to your file explorer and then go to wherever you saved it. I saved it in downloads, and when you see MECHVIBES setup, just double click on it, and then this will pop up. Just wait for it to install, and then once it's done installing, this should pop up. Automatically the volume should be 20, but it shouldn't be like it shouldn't show this, like it shouldn't be on NK Cream. But anyway, so once this opens, you can customize like the volume or whatever. You can customize your keycaps. I use NK Cream, which sounds like this. I mean, I like the sound, so I usually use that one, but you could choose like anyone you want. Just test them all out, and I'll show you guys what they sound like in Roblox. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention, you could also get more keycap sounds if you want. You just gotta click on more sounds and then wait for the page to load, and then you can find them here in these Google Docs, or you could join their server and then get you could get custom keycap sounds, but that's only optional. You don't have to do it. Anyways, I'll show you guys what they sound like in Roblox now.